Welcome to Secure Life platform, where financial matters, insurance, and life planning tips are practically simplified. Fortnightly, we break down complex topics into real life solutions, share powerful stories, and give you the tools you need to build a secured future. Because your life, your family, your peace of mind all need to be protected. I'm Kayode Oloye. It's a great privilege to be here today to chat with you, listeners, about insurance. Why does insurance matter? First, I want us to know that in this part of the world where we are today, insurance is about everything. About everything. And so we have different types of insurance. And it cuts across everything that you can think about. We have car insurance, we have mortgage insurance, we have home insurance, we have travel insurance, we have even phone insurance, loan insurance, boat insurance, and we have life insurance. All are insurance in different form. When it comes to other life or other insurance, it's easy to do because they are part of life where we have found ourselves. For instance, it is easy for somebody to insure their car because it is mandatory. You do not want to do anything that will make you to go against the law. It is illegal to drive a car without any insurance protection. And so people are forced to have car insurance. How about home insurance? Without a home insurance, you are not going to get a mortgage. Again, people are forced to get a home insurance, which is even different from mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is for the creditor who is lending you mortgage. But your home insurance is to protect the property you have bought for yourself in case of fire or any kind of unexpected destruction. And so this different insurance has helped everyone who possesses them to live a life of certainty, even in the face of uncertainty. So if you ask me today, what is insurance? Insurance is simply protecting things that are valuable to you. It could be property, it could be loan, it could be business, it could be anything. But especially, it could be life. And so we'll be looking at quickly into life insurance. Just to bring it home, what is life insurance? Life insurance is simply taking time proactively to protect things that are valuable to you personally. So it could be your family, people who depended on you. It could be your health. You can protect your health. It could be your future, which is after you have retired. It could be your very self. So, when we are talking about life insurance, it's not about people who are going to benefit from you. It's about the things you love to protect. Now, it now depends on how or what knowledge you have to doing that. And that will bring me to simply discuss about what to change understanding about some things that are misconceptions concerning life insurance. Many people believe discussing about life insurance is morbid. because it talks about things that people don't want to talk about. Death. That is just the simplest. And again, some people believe it is luxurious. It's meant for the people who are up there. No, it's a misconception. How about some people thinking that then, oh, God is my protection. I don't think I need insurance. But you don't say that when you are doing your car insurance. You don't say that when you are doing your home insurance. But when it concerns your own life, that is when you remember that. How about people thinking that, oh, they don't normally pay? We are in a different environment. Canada is different from wherever you are. Things are better organized in this part of the world, and you are better secured. And having learned about those misconceptions now, can we go into some examples of life insurance? We have number one, accident and dismemberment insurance. There is the one we call disability insurance. And there is another one we call critical insurance or critical illness insurance. There is the other one we call term insurance. We also have those who we call permanent life insurance. Now, what are the differences in all this? Depending on what you need insurance for, you go for the one that can cover. Most of the time, people go for term insurance, which is also temporary, because it is for a short time, in that it expires. So it is possible for somebody to have a life insurance for just 5 years, for just 10 years, and some can go for as long as 30 years. But after those periods, it expires. In any case, if that person has forgotten that, oh, I have it for only 5 years or 10 years, they are still thinking they have insurance when it has expired. Then it's because they did not understand from the beginning what kind of insurance they have taken. For anyone that has critical insurance, it is meant to prevent or protect that person against things that Medicare card in Canada is not covering. Things that your insurance at workplace, health insurance, is not covering. When you earn your health insurance, it covers your vision, it covers what you call dental, and it could also cover your prescription. But outside that, you might likely bring out money to take care of some things on your own. Now, when you are thinking about the need also for you to look after things that are those you will need for extra, and that usually comes with critical illness protection. It covers things like cancer, stroke. It covers heart attacks, which are never expected. All right? So, and there are 25 of them like that, which include coronary bypass. It also include many types of, great, those languages that are called in the medical form. I don't want to be bringing them up here. Parkinson's disease and all those. But there are 25 of them. With critical illness coverage, at any point in time, one is covered. And you know what? Early discovery of any diseases can make it to be quickly not. But you need money to do that. Insurance can help with that. That is for critical insurance. But when you are looking at protecting yourself for life, then you need an insurance that is called permanent. Permanent insurance has different types. We have one that is called whole life, and we have another one that is called universal life. The whole life enables you to earn what is called cash value. You can earn money from investing into your life. And this money can be cashed while you are living. And so you are investing into your life when you invest into whole life. What's more is that the money that you are catching is from the dividend that the company you have your policy with is giving you every year. It can be 5.5 something, or it can be 5% of what you are putting in, but over a period of time, you'll be able to catch out from it. And you can use the money for anything you desire. That is a form of permanent insurance. The one of universal is another permanent type that covers the investment that you do. You can also use it to cover your disability insurance. It can also add critical illness coverage into it, in which case one can use one type of insurance to cover everything about life. And what's more, most of this money that you have accumulated in your cash value, you can also collect when you are retiring and put them into annuity to start paying yourself for the rest of your life. This is beyond whatsoever CPP can give you. You can also use it for business. However, you can see that all these are great opportunities that we have while we are yet strong. May I just hint you here that insurance is a privilege. It is not a right. We can only do it when we are yet strong, when we are healthy, or we even more benefits when we do it at early times of our life. Because the older you grow, the more expensive you become. And so insurance is designed to actually make us a better person in the future. You protect your life, you protect everything that is valuable to you. You can be certain in the face of uncertainty that the life of the family continues to be the way you want it to be, even if anything happens. Most especially the school or education of our children, or anything that has to do with the family. You don't want anything to truncate the plan you have for them. The best way to keep this in check is to have permanent insurance or any other that will be convenient for you at any other time. And so today, I believe these are fundamental information that will help you to make a program or plans or arrangement that will help you to better your being in Canada or North America. Thank you so much for being part of this call. Thank you so much for joining us on Secured Life platform today. Please connect with us on our social media links as it's being shown on your screen right now. Whichever way, we want to hear your feedback. We want your questions to be answered. You can get more tips and more resources. Looking forward to receiving from you. Remember, every smart decision you make today builds the future you want to live tomorrow. Until next time, let's keep planning, let's keep learning, and keep thriving. Thank you.